What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how you can use a Logitech Brio webcam with a do-it-yourself or any standard iPad based teleprompter. I have thus uncoupled the Brio webcam from my laptop here, which is free of it. The advantage of this method is that the webcam can be positioned wherever you want, irrespective of the iPad over there, and the height of the webcam can be adjusted. What I have done is to accomplish this, I have got a gooseneck webcam holder which I purchased online. I'll show you this in detail. So I have removed the coupling device from the webcam and attached it to this gooseneck extension. It has got a ball head, and the webcam height can be increased, it can be turned left or right, or it can be twisted and turned anywhere, and most importantly it can be brought close to the center of the teleprompter. I'll show you a side picture which is very essential. As you know, it is important to get the camera to as close as the glass pane as possible, and that is possible with the gooseneck clamp. So the purpose of this video is to highlight the importance and the convenience of a gooseneck clamp. I'm going to now show you the gooseneck clamp and show you how I have positioned the teleprompter, the camera, my laptop, etc. So this is the arrangement of the components here. To the forefront here is my laptop. Next to it is a small stool. You can use a small pile of books. And then sitting on the stool is the teleprompter over there. This is a do-it-yourself homemade teleprompter. I have recently made a video on this homemade teleprompter, and I have shown how it can be used with different cameras like a phone camera, DSLR, camcorder. And earlier today I have made another video on how to use this same teleprompter with the Logitech Brio webcam on a rail system. That also can be used if you want to mount the webcam on a tripod. Then the 15mm rail system will come in handy. But here another different method. I'm using a gooseneck clamp which is over here. This gooseneck clamp is very sturdy. It is clamped to the table, and its height can be increased as per your will, and it can be brought forward or backward by just moving around the metal extension. So you can see that the camera is centered over the teleprompter over here, glass pane. It can be brought forward by angulating this gooseneck clamp over here. So I can work from any position as I want and not be confined to a laptop here. If I were to be sitting on a couch like this, then the height of the laptop would be unphysiological. So I'd be looking down into the teleprompter and I would be straining my neck muscles. By this method, where you put the teleprompter on a stool and mount the webcam on a gooseneck clamp like this, it is very convenient. So you're not necessarily constrained by having to place the webcam on the laptop over here. You can move it anywhere, you can take it wherever you want. You can even clamp this gooseneck clamp to any ledge, window, or any bar or anything, and you can place this teleprompter also anywhere. Now I have just put it on a small stool. You can put it on a table also, and it can be used as a tabletop teleprompter. So this is a versatile do-it-yourself teleprompter. I have spoken at length about the features. It has got a small extension, cold shoe extension over there, to which you can attach a pocket LCD light. On the other side there is a cold shoe extension over here, to which I can attach a mic to attach it to the prompting device over here in the bed of the teleprompter. So this is the arrangement: laptop, stool, teleprompter, my Logitech Brio webcam. So I hope you found this video useful. It is yet another way of using a Logitech Brio webcam rather than the stereotyped placement over a laptop and use of a glide gear or Baudolin or other teleprompters which are meant for webcams. Here you can use any teleprompter. This is yet another application of how to use your webcam independent of the webcam dependent teleprompters like the Glide Gear Pro WB Solo or the Baudolin teleprompter. Here I am using it with a conventional teleprompter, which is a railroad based system. I can use it anywhere and I don't have to use the webcam over the laptop. I have uncoupled it and I can attach this goosehead clamp anywhere as I have shown. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC. Like and share. Press the notification button to receive notifications in future when I publish videos like this. I'll see you in another video. Cheers.